All right, so if you're looking for the cheapest and easiest way to make your E46 look better, here's what I recommend. Pick up some black kidney grills and some tinted corner lights. If you're sticking around to see how to install them, then I'm going to show you how right now. As you can kind of see, this E46 already has them, and my other E46 already has them as well. So I'll put up some before and after of those cars, and then I'll show you how to do it on this car right now. All you're gonna do is take your Phillips, and then there's gonna be right down there, there's gonna be a screw. So you don't have to take the screw all the way out, you loosen it, and then you'll be able to, you should be able to just pop that out like that. So you twist it, and then it'll just pop out. You can see why you would need to replace these anyways. It happens on pretty much every single BMW. So obviously this one's trash. You'll just take this new one, and you want to slide these pins right here in between right here. All right, so there's a little side-by-side comparison. Now, with the kidney grill, there's pins all around here. So basically you just pull it out, but you want to be careful of not breaking those pins. Got the old kidney grill. Now I'll just pop the new one on. These are very simple. All you gotta do is just grab it and pop it in. Now you can get your 50-50 shot. So there's the difference. I'm gonna finish up the other side. So here is the difference. Obviously you can tell I need different headlight housings, because I don't know, I think it needs to be darker headlight housings, but I don't think it looks bad.
Where's the box?